Looking for a quick way to design matching products for your crew? Introducing Names in our design studio. You can now create custom products for multiple people without starting the design process from scratch. To get started, choose a product you'd like to customize, then click on Start Designing. Upload an image or your logo, then resize within the printing area. Once you're finished adjusting your logo, select Names from the left bar. Click on Name, and then position the placeholder. You could also add a unique number to each t-shirt by clicking on the number placeholder. Once done, click on Next to edit the details. Enter each person's name and unique number, then add sizes and quantities as needed. Once you're finished, click Next to go to Design Review. If there's anything you want to change, you can return to the design studio to make any further edits. Our team feature makes it easier to create matching clothing, bags and accessories for business or special events. It's fast, easy and simple. Ready to create your own matching products with Vistaprint?